What's up, guys? Anthony here, and welcome to a different type of video. So, for those of you who maybe haven't been around for a while, I love Lego, and I've got a lot of Lego sets outside, in out in my lounge room. I've got Speed Champions, I've got Star Wars. My wife is building the Dreams and Friends sets. Like, we have a lot of Lego. And the other day I was scrolling on TikTok and I found this Studio Lego Bricklink. Alright. So as you can see, I got my first Lego build here. It's going to be one of the Ferraris. So basically, I love Lego that much. I wanted to build it even on the computer. So what we're going to do is I'm going to quickly just click new. We're going to have a brand new thing, and we're going to go through the tutorial of this program, which takes us through building a little snail. I will also have a link to this program, which is completely and totally free, down in the comment section. So I'm going to boot myself, and we'll be back once I've got the tutorial loaded up. So, pop! Alright guys, so we're back. I've just launched up the tutorial. Learn about camera controls and basic features to help you get familiar with Studio. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to be using the mouse to zoom, the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Sweet. This is also, I'm kind of learning this as we go. So what's next? Drag mouse. Okay, so we drag and we can spin it, everything. Alright. Hold space bar. Okay, so that's panning. Alright. Next, learn basic features while building a snail. Sweet. Alright, so click to bring. Alright, nice work. Using the arrow keys, rotate the. Okay, so we can. Alright, so we can use the arrow keys there, and we're going to put this on top like that. Beautiful. Alright, so pretty simple. Alright, let's move this one out of the way. Start with this one here. Bang. Move this one on. Bang. And then we will hold space and move across that one there. Spin it around in the direction we need. Alright, nice. Alright, so we're going to quickly zoom out a little bit. And then click on this one here. Bang. Spin it around. That's going to go there. And that one there. Alright. I like how it kind of just together very, very easy. Alright, so we're going to go down to here to the search bar. We're going to type in antenna small. Small. It might help if I spell it correctly. A-N-T-E-N-N-A. Antenna small. So we want that. Bang. Two of these and and we'll put them straight into there. Beautiful. Next. Alright. So holding control, we can do that. Okay, so let's just put them in individually. Alright. So drag and drop the fields into. Okay, so we got to put. Okay, sorry, I didn't actually read that properly. That's my fault. One thing we can do if we hold control. Oh, actually, we can go. We can click all of them and then put it straight on top like that. So that basically just allows us to hold all parts and the filler parts. Control plus clicking allows us to hold like all the parts, which is kind of cool, as well as everything else. Okay, so next, choose black from the color palette. All right, so we want black. All right, so we have to. Okay, all right, I'm following now. All right, so now this part here, we need to click on this. Let's go color palette, and we're gonna go red. Type color red. Red, beautiful. All right, now we're going to add a... Select the lever and click hinge to create some leverage. Okay. Alright, let's get the same view. Okay, so hinge, nut, that one. Select the... Oh, okay. I see what I've done. Okay. Oh, no, I got them on the right way. Maybe we need to go this way. Okay. Select a lever and click hinge to create some angle. Ah, there we go. Okay. You just finished building it. Okay. So we can do the same. So if we go here. Okay. Alright. Alright, so that's pretty much the tutorial, guys. It took me about 6 minutes to do. But yeah, basically shows you how to build LEGO Snail. Shows you how to get around the board. One other thing I want to show you before we go. So I know the first question a lot of you guys are going to ask. How can we get official LEGO sets? Right? And yes, you can get official LEGO sets. So I'm going to look up. I'm just trying to think. LEGO Black Pearl. Black Pearl ship. Alright. So to do it, guys, you need to know, obviously, the number. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a new one. We're going to come up here to... I'm going to make this full screen. We're going to come up here to File. We're going to go Import Official LEGO Set. Alright, this screen's going to pop up. Type in the set number. So for the LEGO, it's 4184. Okay, just give it a second. It's going to have a look. There we go, the Black Pearl. I like to do extra parts. You do not need to. You can say, just leave in scene. Include minifig parts. I'm not going to worry about the minifig. Click import. Let it just load. It's going to be loading all the pieces. As you can see, there's 782 pieces for this set. Let it finish doing it. Alright, here. So this is stuff that it's failed to bring in. Okay, so minifigs, minifig. Okay, minifig, nothing not to worry about. The black, I believe it's a sticker, a pattern, cloth, and the sails. Okay, so these are the stuff that it did not bring in. These are the instructions. So we've got 2 instructions here. So I'm going to click to open. We can, sometimes it lets you download it. Other times it doesn't. So I'll click to download it. Okay, so let me quickly get that up. All right. Move that out of the way. Okay, so I've got my third little screen. As you can see, I've got the actual pictures here. 1, 2. It's got the 2. So it's saying don't open all the bags, just open bags at a time. But I'm going to click OK here. Here are all the pieces. Okay, so we're going to quickly just zoom in. Pan across to all of these because we're not going to need these. Right? They're all the sails and stuff like that. So I'm just going to quickly, I'm just going to delete those. Just because we don't need those. Okay? As you can see, all the bits are here. They've all been loaded in. They've all been colored. And it's literally now, you literally go through it. As you can see, part 1, part 2, 3, 4. And you build it as if you're building it in real life. And I know the first question you're going to ask, why? Why do this? Well, if there's sets that you want, for example, like me, I want the Millennium Falcon. I would love to have this set as well. Yeah, I don't really have the money to spend it on that, but I still want to build it. I can at least build it digitally. So, but yeah, that's just a quick little video for you guys. Something I think you guys might like. And yeah, I hope you guys have. As you can see, I've shown you how to do everything. But yeah, and pretty much like sometimes I will mention sometimes it won't have like how to do it. Stuff like that is okay. It kind of sucks, but I'm sure you can give it a little bit of time and you'll find it. But yeah, that's it for this one. In the next one, I'm going to be building, I believe, so I'm not going to say that. My first Lego build, it's the Ferrari. It's one of the Ferrari Speed Champions. I love cars. But if you guys have anything that you guys want me to build, even if it's just, you know, you're seeing stuff in here that you want me to build, let me know. I'll be happy to build it for you guys on here. I'm going to be planning to do some actual builds on this, like actual sets, like physical sets. So that's what's that? Oh, it's a birdie. It looks like a Fletchlander. But yeah, as you can see, there's hundreds. These aren't official sets, but like mocks and stuff like that, which are really awesome. So let's look at this one here, the B2 Stealth Bomber quickly. Okay, so let's import that one. Oh, okay, so you do need a brick link for that one there. But like a lot of let's see if we can open that. So like that one, like so this has already been built. Well, that's kind of cool. You know what I mean? Well, that's pretty cool. It's like a little mech type thing. And yeah, this is stuff you can look at. Like imagine having the Black Pearl here all built up. Obviously you won't have the sails and stuff, which is kind of but I'm sure there's people out there are a lot smarter than me. They can figure out ways to do that. But anyway, guys, that's all for me. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. But yeah, that's something I'm planning to do. Let me know in the comments what sets you would like me to build digitally, and we can do that. So awesome, some new stuff for the channel. Don't know how often it's going to be, but definitely let me know what sets you would like to see. I'm going to quick quote. Actually, I'm going to leave that because this looks pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what kind of sets you want me to build. Official LEGO sets, non-LEGO sets, whatever. Let me know in that comment section below, and we'll go from there. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace, peace.